In case you don't find raw banana delicious, we are going to make it taste delicious today. Let's make this curry together. These are 6 raw bananas cut in long pieces. While cutting, make sure the bananas are immersed in water so they don't brown due to oxidation. Next, set a pot on medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Next goes in a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt to taste, and we are going to drain off the water from the raw bananas and add them in. We want to give that a quick stir and place the lid on, let the raw bananas cook through. The raw bananas that I get here would probably take 2 minutes to get softened. It depends on how soft or hard they are, so you can decide on the timing. Next, we are going to stir fry them until the raw bananas turn nice and golden brown, because that's what makes them taste delicious. Once that's done, we will take them out and set them aside. To the same pot, add some more oil if needed and add 1 tablespoon of crushed coriander seeds. 2 dried red chillies, I like to break them and add it in because I like it hot, and add 1/2 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. Hing is very important in this recipe, don't leave it out. Next, we'll add a 1-inch piece of ginger that has been crushed, and we are also going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give that all a stir, and next goes in a small tomato that has been finely chopped. We're going to stir fry everything until the tomatoes get soft and mushy. This should take approximately 2 minutes. Next, we will add in 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. We will stir that along with the tomatoes for approximately 30 to 45 seconds so the coriander powder gets nice and toasted. Next, I have some plain unsweetened yogurt. Beat that well and add that in. Make sure that the yogurt is not too sour. If it is, just add in 2 tablespoons. Next goes in 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of normal red chili powder. Don't worry, this curry is not going to get too hot. Kashmiri red chili powder is not hot. Next, we are going to stir fry this masala for approximately 2 minutes till the entire paste gets nice and thick and oily. Next, add in 1.5 cups of water. Also add in a handful of coriander leaves, give that a stir, and we will now place the lid on and let that gravy simmer for approximately 5 minutes. This smells so good, guys. Try this curry, it is delicious. Next, we are going to add in the raw bananas that we had stir fried, and we are going to mix that in. Let us taste for salt. Add some more salt if needed. If not, garnish with coriander leaves and your curry is ready.